Hello dear students, welcome to the online class of Krishnajyoti Convent Senior Secondary School Bagpat. I am your teacher Abhishek Mittal and today I am going to teach you chapter 10th of your poem book 9 Gold Medals by David Roth. So I am going to explain you the poem line by line. So please listen carefully. If you have any doubt you can just rewind the video and listen to it again. Still if the doubt persists you can ask in the live class. The athletes had come from so many countries to run for the gold, for the silver, and bronze. So, this particular poem, as suggested by the name, is about some event, some sports event that is going to be held. So many athletes have come, so many participants have come from so many countries to win or to run for the gold, silver, and bronze. It means it is a very huge event because athletes are coming from so many different countries. It is not a local event. Many weeks and months in training, all building up to the games. So as you know, before any event the participants usually prepare, they train themselves strenuously. Okay, so same these athletes have also done, they have trained themselves for weeks and months to prepare themselves for this huge event. All round the field, spectators were gathered, cheering on all the young women and men. So the entire arena was surrounded by spectators who have come there to cheer the young women and men. It means the participants who are participating in the event. So still the name or the event, which event is this, is not been mentioned in the poem. Let us see if it is mentioned later in the poem or not. Then the final event of the day was approaching, the last race about to begin. So it was the final event of the day and it is a race. The loudspeakers called out the names of the runners, the 100 meters, the race to be run. So the loudspeaker has called out the names of all the runners and it is a 100-meter race. Okay, so please underline this, it is very important. It might be asked in your examination also, how long is the race. Okay, so it is 100 meter. Nine young athletes stood there determined and poised for the sound of the gun. So there are total 9 athletes who are going to run this 100-meter race and they are already in their position to run. Okay, they are waiting for the sound of the gun or the signal. Understood? The signal was given, the pistol exploded. So the signal was given by exploding the pistol. Okay, so as soon as the pistol exploded, they started running and so did the runners on hearing the sound. So as soon as the pistol exploded, they started running for the race. But the youngest among them stumbled and staggered and he fell on his knees to the ground. So what happened? As soon as the race started, the youngest of all those 9 athletes, okay, youngest and the smallest one, he stumbled and staggered and he fell down on the ground. Understood? Maybe he lost his balance off and due to which he fell down on the ground. So as you know, if such a thing happens with somebody, he won't be too happy. Okay, he will be very disappointed. He gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts dashed in the dirt. Okay, so all his efforts, all his training that he has done for so long to prepare for this event has been dashed in the dirt. Okay, he was very disappointed because he won't get another chance immediately. Okay, maybe next year or after a few years he might get the chance. Okay, but perhaps this chance has been ruined. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story, now it is a strange one, but here is what occurred. So the narrator who was standing there, who was watching the event, he tells that something strange happened there. Okay, there was some absurd, peculiar thing that happened. Okay, what was that thing? The 8 other athletes stopped in the racetrack. Okay, so what happened? The other 8 athletes, they stopped there on the racetrack. The ones who had trained for so long to compete. Okay, they all have also done the strenuous training. So they all have stopped there. Why they have stopped? One by one they turned round and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his feet. So they stopped to help that athlete, the youngest one who had fallen down. Okay, and they helped him lift him on his feet. Then all the 9 runners joined hands and continued the 100 meter reduced to a walk. So earlier it was a race, they were running for their self. Okay, individually they were running, but now they have joined hands and they are not running. Now the race has been reduced to a walk. And the banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been nearer the mark. So what was the event? So here in the second last paragraph we came to know that was a Special Olympics, means it's Olympics for the challenged people, especially challenged people, means handicap. Okay, we should not use that word handicap, but they were having some physical problem. Okay, so they are called as specially challenged people. So it was a Special Olympics, and this act of all those athletes have made them even more special, that event. Okay, that event, now this Special Olympics tag has been justified by their act, the human value, the compassion, the kindness that they have shown. Okay, the sportsmanship, the spirit of games that they have shown have really made that games as special. That is how the race ended with 9 gold medals. They came to the finish line holding hands still. So now all of them came together holding their hands with each other, and they all won the gold medals. It means the authorities, instead of cancelling, instead of disqualifying them, authorities have recognized their values, the human values which they have shown, the compassion which they have shown, and all of them were awarded a gold medal. If it were a normal scenario, they would not have won this. Okay, अगर normal होता, normal scenario होता तो उनमें से एक को ही gold medal मिलता, but now all the 9s have won the gold medals, and the banner above and 9 smiling faces. So they were all very happy because they have not expected such a turn of events that they all will be able to win the gold medal. So all of them were very jolly, very happy, very smiling. Okay, so said more than these words ever will, said more than these words ever will. So the words, these Special Olympics, or the words that has been written in this poem cannot truly define what actually happened there. Okay, the scenario, the happiness cannot be defined in words. Okay, so their act has truly defined, truly justified this Special Olympics tag. Okay, so this was your poem. I hope you have understood. If there is any doubt, you can ask in the live class again. Thank you and have a nice day.